actions of the DSS are illegal. As you can see, the Nigerian Professional Service
ilé-ẹjọ́ ti pàṣẹ pé kí wọ́n gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì ọ̀gá àgbà báǹkì àpapọ̀ ilẹ̀ yìí tẹ́lẹ̀ rí Emefiele lẹ́yìn tí ilé-ẹjọ́ ti gbọ́ gbogbo atótónu agbẹjọ́rò ọ̀gá àgbà báǹkì ilẹ̀ yìí tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ọ̀hún. Agbẹjọ́rò àgbà Joseph Daudu onídàájọ́ Nicholas Owoyibo ti sọ wípé àwọn ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kan Emefiele kì í ṣe èyí tí wọn ò lè gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì rẹ̀, tí ó sì dá àwọn ẹ̀sùn míì tí ìjọba àpapọ̀ fi kàn án nù lórí wípé kò sí ẹ̀rí tí ó fẹsẹ̀ múlẹ̀ láti tì í lẹ́yìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ilé-ẹjọ́ pàṣẹ wípé kí wọ́n dá Emefiele sílẹ̀ pẹ̀lú owó tí iye rẹ̀ tó 20 mílíọ̀nù náírà pẹ̀lú àwọn onídùúró tí ó gbé wọn.
Should we not be able to fulfill the terms of the bill, they should be kept with the correctional center. The stalemate now is that the DSS insists on flouting the order of court by taking him to custody. Well, it's unfortunate, and that's what I said earlier on at length, that there's a subsisting order of court saying that he should be kept with the correctional center. Should we not be able to fulfill bail conditions? But at the moment, the correctional center have parked their vehicle. The DSS have positioned close by them. So I hope you'll be all around to watch whether there's a stalemate. But should they prevent the court order from being fulfilled, that is another kettle of fish that we will have to interrogate in due course. That is now contempt of the court order of court.
I stated here that the actions of the DSS are illegal. As you can see, the Nigerian Professional Service
My name is A.T. Kehinde, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I'm a member of the defense team. Our leader, Chief J.B. Dadu, has just stepped out of the court premises. We've watched the unfolding events with so much pain in our hearts as practitioners and as Nigerians, and also as major stakeholders in the democratic experience of this country. This country is not a country that is under the military or any junta. This country is a country that is governed strictly by the rule of law, which means that in everything we do, the law must prevail. The Honorable Court graciously listened to the arguments for the bail of the defendant, our client, Godwin Emefiele, and granted bail. Also, the bail had conditions which the defense is trying to meet. The court also, in its wisdom, said that it should be kept with the Nigerian Correctional Center, pending when the bail conditions will be fulfilled. The Nigerian Correctional Center were available to take him into their custody, but unfortunately, the DSS has refused, another arm of government, to carry out the duty constitutionally assigned to it and as ordered by the court, by refusing the Nigerian Correctional Center to take Godwin Emefiele into its custody. We are now in a situation where two arms of government, the Nigerian Correctional Center and the DSS, are now fighting on who should have custody of the defendant, contrary to the express order of the court that it should be kept with the Correctional Center. I want to say with every sense of responsibility that the position of the DSS has no support whatsoever in the law. We are constrained because we do not want where there will be exchange of arms by the two organs of government. We may very, very reluctantly, very, very, very reluctantly allow our client to force the DSS to willfully, consciously, intentionally flout the orders of the court by taking him into their custody today. Thereafter, we will know what to do next. That is our position. Thank you.
What has the DSS said, sir? What is the reason they're giving for why they are doing?
No reason whatsoever. No reason that they are acting from an instruction from above. Which above? Is there any order above that is greater than the law of the land?
No.
Is there any order that is greater than the order of the court?
No.
Which order? That's why it's so baffling to every one of us. But as I said, we will know what to do next.
Mr. Governor, I have stated here that the actions of the DSS are illegal. As you can see, the Nigerian Correctional Service will be